right, finally guys, this is that video. We finally are gonna be able to get into the interior, get into the trunk. Let's get these leaves vacuumed out. Let's get the seats out. Before we get into all that, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the things that I did stay with. Here are some of the pieces here. That is an actual, looks like an AC unit. Well, at least part of the AC unit there. Some interior pieces, that head that was in the back there, had like a couple of spare parts. I'm sure probably most of it's gonna be junk, it's probably gonna be trash, but I figured I'd stay with that, at least for now, before we get to throwing things away. Let's get this car moved to the middle of the garage, so that way I can open up both doors, get both seats out, go from there. So let's get this car to the middle, get the seats removed, and we'll get into vacuum. Let's get it. All right guys, so what I went ahead and did real quick before I took out the seats was I kind of picked up a lot of the stuff that probably the vacuum can't pick up, like little, like more like bigger size bulbs, washers and stuff like that. I went ahead and just cleaned it up real quick. Ran into two little fellas here, skeletons. I'm not sure what they're from, but found them sitting back here. Anyway, let's now, since we got the majority of the big stuff out, let's get to the seats, unbolt them, and keep going from there. All right, so bolts were a little bit of a pain in the butt to get to due to the fact that half of them were rusted. Anyhow, we were able to get the seats out. Led to a bummer. I don't think this is the original. As I'm taking out the seats, I can kind of see the panels in the back. They do have some blue carpet on the edging. So I'm wondering if the original carpet to this car was like a navy blue instead of the black. I do think that this, I'm pretty sure it's pretty solid due to the fact that here, if you take a closer look, you can see here in the actual tunnel how it's kind of made up. You see the line there? Then in here, they just patched the section just to cover it. The blue, what I was telling you about is right here. See so far in that back corner, how it's blue? Yeah. Anyway, I mean, we'll still knock it out. We'll clean it, we'll vacuum it, just so we're not touching this filthy carpet. Get it all cleaned out. Most likely end up removing the carpet. Let's get the vacuum out. Let's get it knocking. And we'll see right back after when we're done with that. Let's get it. All right, guys. So I did what I could today. I did vacuum the car. Was able to get everything out of it. The conditions of the carpet is fair. I have decided that I'm actually just gonna toss it. I'm gonna toss it. It's been sitting for 20 years. There was a lot of feces that I was vacuuming up when I was going through this, so it's not very healthy. I just want to have a fresh carpet. I went ahead and I vacuumed the back seat just so it can clean up nice. I'm going to try to hit up a buddy of mine that has an upholstery shop and see if he can save these seats. I don't have any hope on the front ones due to the fact that the spring frame has looked like it's broken on them, as you can see in there. Pretty rough shape. However, I'm gonna hit him up, see if he has any type of hope in him. If not, then we'll go ahead and look for a different set. I would like to get the original. If not, then something close to it. I'm gonna have to cut it here. Like I said, today, tomorrow, when I get back, we are going to be trying to polish one of the rims just to see if I can get any type of life out of them. I'm gonna try to clay bar them and then hit them with a polish that I have. For an example, that's one of them back there. Let me actually, so you can kind of see the conditions that the rims are in at the very moment. As you can see, they're dull, they got no shine to them, dirty. So like I said, tomorrow we'll knock out that rim, see if it's got any hope, if it's got any life in them. And well, luckily for you guys just hold on a second. We'll be back right here tomorrow. All right, be right back. Just like that, we're back here today. And like I said yesterday, I wanted to try to get this rim out so I can try to wash it, see if I can lift up any of the contaminants that's on the actual chrome. Like I showed you on the other rim, they're in pretty bad condition. I tried cleaning this one, a little bit of hand soap and some water, and as you can see, there's still a lot left and still a lot of contaminants on the actual chrome. I'm gonna try something simple. I wanna try something with a little bit of a clay bar, a little clay bar and some wax to see if it lifts up any more of the contaminants. All right, guys, take a look for yourself. I am very impressed that it was able to take that much shine with just one pass. A little bit of mothers goes a long way, but I am gonna leave it as a cliffhanger, and I am actually gonna finish up this rim and the next three and post it in a later video. So be sure to subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and we'll be right back here soon. Take care, guys. Peace.